Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, I introduced Dia Ramadhani with student number 2341 2060 from class AKT 23A. In this video, I will explain the meaning of ethics and culture, the relationship between ethics and culture, and example of behavioral rules in manufacturing and banking companies in the ethics and business course. Understanding ethics and culture. Ethics are a set of rules or moral goodness that help individuals determine whether an action is considered right or wrong, good or bad. Ethics play an important role in regulating human behavior, both in everyday life, the work environment, and in society as a whole. Ethical principles include honesty, responsibility, fairness, and respect for others. With ethics, a person can understand the boundaries of acceptable behavior, so that their actions do not harm or hurt others. Ethics apply not only in formal or professional situations, but also in personal relationships, such as how we treat friends, family, or the people around us. In essence, ethics is a guide for individuals to live well and maintain balance in social interaction. Meanwhile, culture is everything related to the way of life, values, habits, and tradition adopted by a group of people. Culture covers various aspects of life, from language, clothing, food, art, music, to belief and perspective on the world. This culture is passed down from one generation to the next and becomes the unique identity of a group of people. Every community or nation has a different culture, and that culture influences how they think, act, and interact with others. Culture can also be seen in various daily activities, such as how a society celebrates holidays, how they respect their elders, or how they communicate with each other. Culture not only reflects the values and beliefs of a society, but also gives meaning and identity to individuals in the group. In other words, ethics and culture are interrelated in human social life. Ethics help regulate how individuals behave according to moral principles, while culture forms the social environment in which those values and traditions are applied. Through ethics, a person learns to act correctly, while culture provides a broad framework that includes social norms and customs that develop in society. The relationship between ethics and culture is very close because both play a role in shaping the behavior and way of thinking of individuals and groups in a society. Ethics are moral principles or rules that help someone determine what is right and wrong, while culture is a collection of values, beliefs, and customs that are inserted in a group of people. Ethics are often influenced by the culture in which a person lives. Every society has different cultural values, which in turn influence their moral or ethical standards. For example, actions that are considered ethical in one culture may not be acceptable in another. For example, Western cultures tend to emphasize individualism and personal freedom, while many Eastern cultures emphasize social harmony and respect for family and community. These values shape the ethical rules that apply in each culture. On the other hand, ethical also influence culture because ethics help shape the norms and rules that exist in society. If a society has strong ethical standards, this will be reflected in their cultural values. For example, if a culture highly values honesty and fairness, then the cultural norms that develop there will encourage people to behave honestly and fairly in everyday life. However, although ethics are influenced by culture, there are also ethical principles that are universal, such as not harming others, respecting the rights of others, or acting honestly. These principles can be found in many cultures, although their application may vary depending on the cultural context. Overall, the relationship between ethics and culture can be described as mutually influential. Culture forms the framework within which ethics are applied, while ethics provide guidelines for how individuals should act according to exciting cultural values. In today's globalized context, where cultures are increasingly interacting with each other, a good understanding of this relationship is become increasingly important for building better intercultural communication and cooperation. Example of rules of conduct in manufacturing and banking companies. In manufacturing companies, rules of conduct usually emphasize work safety because the work environment involves heavy machinery and materials. Employees are required to wear personal protective equipment such as helmets, gloves, and safety shoes to prevent accidents. In addition, there are rules to maintain the cleanliness of the work area, comply with mission operating instructions, and report any damage or potential hazards to superiors. Time discipline is also very important because production usually follows a strict schedule. Meanwhile, in banking companies, rules of conduct focus more on confidentiality and integrity. Bank employees are required to maintain the confidentiality of customer information, not engage in action that could create a conflict of interest, and always act professionally in interacting with customers. In addition, they must comply with banking regulation and financial regulation and report any suspicious activity related to money laundering or fraud.